गुड मॉर्निंग. गुड मॉर्निंग. ओके. प्रीवियस क्लास 10th का मेरे वीडियो में देखे होंगे आप लोग कि रिएक्टेंट फर्स्ट चैप्टर केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड इक्वेशन का फर्स्ट वीडियो आप लोग देख लिए. समझ में आ गया होगा. रिएक्टेंट प्रोडक्ट एंड केमिकल रिएक्शन. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक केमिकल इक्वेशन. तो केमिकल इक्वेशन द symbolic representation of all chemical substance the symbolic representation of all chemical substance with help of its formulae and their symbol in a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is called chemical equation. The symbolic representation of all chemical substance with help of its formulae and their symbols in a chemical reaction. This format is known as chemical reaction. Example. Let us consider examples. So decompose of limestone to form quick lime and carbon dioxide. देखो decompose of limestone to form quick lime and carbon dioxide. This is a chemical reaction. This reaction convert into chemical equation. So first of all, this reaction identify all chemical substance. First chemical substance is limestone. Second chemical substance quicklime, and third carbon dioxide. So three chemical substance are represent their formulae and symbols. So first limestone is a chemical formula CaCO3. The chemical formula of limestone CaCO3. Or this is a reactant in this reaction. So initial substance. So write in. After writing arrow symbols. Next product substance quicklime CaCO, and another product substance the symbol plus sign use, carbon dioxide symbol CO2. So this chemical reaction convert into chemical equation, or this complete format is called chemical equation. So chemical reaction convert into chemical equation. First of all, identify all chemical substance, and second identify reactant and product substance. So two or more reactant and product between the symbols plus sign use. Reactant and product. Reactant, this substance reactant in this reaction, or in this chemical substance product. So both between the symbols arrow symbols are used. This complete format is known as chemical equation. Another example, nitrogen gas is react with hydrogen to form ammonia. So this is your chemical reaction. This reaction convert into chemical equation. First of all, identify the chemical substance, reactant substance and product substance. So nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas are reactant chemical substance, and another product chemical substance ammonia in this reaction. So this write first symbolic representation, symbols and chemical formula. Nitrogen chemical formula N2, nitrogen element symbol N, it is present in diatomic molecules in atmosphere, so it convert N2. Next, reactant substance, the symbol between plus sign used before or after hydrogen reactant H2 symbols. Next symbol used arrow after the reactant substance product chemical substance, put symbol in chemical formula NH3 ammonia. So ammonia chemical formula symbols NH3. So this reaction convert into chemical equation. This format is known as chemical equation. So student clear, chemical reaction convert into chemical equation. Okay. Next, types of chemical equation. Next, type of chemical equation. They have two types of chemical equation. Unbalanced chemical equation of balanced chemical. Next, balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation. Chemical equation have two types: unbalanced chemical equation and balanced chemical equation. First of all, unbalanced chemical equation. Unbalanced chemical equation. So unbalanced chemical equation, the number of atoms of each elements of both sides, that is reactant and product, are not equal in a chemical equation. As called unbalanced equation. So student, clear? Unbalanced chemical equation, the number of atom of each elements of both side means reactant side and product side, are not equal in chemical equation. किसी chemical equation में प्रत्येक एलिमेंट का नंबर ऑफ आइटम अगर बराबर नहीं हो तो उस केमिकल इक्वेशन को क्या कहते हैं? अनबैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन. एग्जांपल्स: हाइड्रोजन गैस रिएक्ट टू chlorine gas to form hydrochloric acid. So in this reaction, reactant side hydrogen atom have 2, but product side hydrogen atom 1. In another elements reactant side, chlorine atom, chlorine elements have 2 atoms, but product 1 atom are not equal both side every element. So this equation is called unbalanced chemical equation. Hydrogen atom 2 atoms, chlorine 2 atoms, but product side hydrogen atom 1, chlorine atom 1. So both sides are not equal. So this types of reaction is called unbalanced chemical equation. Next, balanced chemical equation. Next, balanced chemical equation. So the number of atom of each element in both sides are equal in a chemical equation as called balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation. The number of atoms of each element in both sides are equal in a chemical equation. So this types of equation is known as balanced chemical equation. Examples. Latest example. Latest example, HCl react with NaOH, sodium hydroxide, to form sodium chloride NaCl plus water H2O. In this equation, chemical equation, every elements in both sides are equal because hydrogen elements have 1 atom and another reactant 1 atom, total 2 atoms, but product side 2 hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom are equal in both sides, reactant side and product side. Another elements chlorine 1 atom and product side chlorine 1 atom. Oxygen reactant side 1 atom, product side 1 atom. So all element in this reaction have atoms of each element are equal. So these types of equation are called balanced chemical equation. Clear है स्टूडेंट्स? चलिए आज ले लेते हैं हम लोग क्लास होमवर्क. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग इसके आगे देखेंगे. तो टुडे होमवर्क, राइट शॉर्ट नोट of following balance equation, unbalanced equation. C. Chemical equation. Second, identify write the chemical equation of following reaction. First, decompose of limestone. Next, hydrogen gas react to oxygen gas to form water. Third, photosynthesis of plant. Okay, students, write short notes of the following: balance chemical equation, unbalance chemical equation. Write chemical equation of following: reaction, decompose of limestone, hydrogen gas react to oxygen gas to form water. Third, photosynthesis of plant. So स्टूडेंट क्लियर. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग मिलेंगे फिर. ओके, बाय.